Hello, my name is Alvin Tran, and today I would like to demonstrate a little program I called CodeTimers. So CodeTimers is essentially two parts. One of them is, once again, an Arduino sketch that will send data, and here we have a processing sketch which will receive it and manipulate a display according to it. So here we have CodeTimers, and my Arduino sketch is already uploaded it, so I will play my display. So essentially play I am reading through a text of strings that is essentially the baseline test from Blade Runner 2049. So as you can see, one timer is controlling the text that will be displayed, and another timer is controlling the color of the text. So depending on what string it is, it will play a little animation. So you can see that on the word cells, it will display the cell bars, and two more words are also have this special little thing, interlinked and within cells interlinked. So here we have the potentiometer. So if I adjust it, it will increase the speed of the text that will be displayed. So this is my program, and I hope you have a very pleasant day.